I told you that I created this content only just chatting with the AI agent that Flow have just launched, okay? And after chatting with the agent, I was able to create this story, okay? This beautiful video was able to generate it only just chatting with AI agent. Let me show you how I did that. Google Flow have recently launched a new AI agent that helps you to interact with agents to create your story, okay? Create your content. You don't need to start generating images step by step. All you need to do is to chat with this agent, okay, which is Omni agent. That's what Google Flow call this agent. All right, so this is it at the moment. Okay, they said they have 50%, but you can use your free 50 credits every day that Flow gives you to create story every day. Okay, every day your credit refresh to 50 credits, which you can use to create videos. So this is the new Google Flow Gemini on Mini Flash. Okay, and this is it. How do you use it? Okay, when you come on Flow interface, you can click on try Omni now. You can click on it. When you click on that, it will bring you to the interface. Okay, it will bring you here, or you can continue to chat with the agent here. Or when you're on your Flow interface, okay, you go back to your Flow interface and you click on new project. When you click on new project, okay, you will see it on the right hand side here. Okay, so when you click on the right hand side, you will see this settings. Just tap on the settings and you select what you want. All right, it will ask you, agent will ask you questions. If you want agent to ask you questions before it executes any plan, you click on always. I would advise you to always keep it on always, because when the agent asks you something, you proofread before you accept, so that the agent will go ahead to follow instruction. Here you do your settings. If you want 16:9 or you want it 9:16, it's up to you what aspect ratio you want, really. Okay, I will advise you to put it on 1. All right, we don't want to waste our credit, and this one is mainly for the images. Okay, because with the images, why you need to set your images is that the AI will first of all create images before it start creating your videos. All right, so I want to one images, but creating image is free on Flow. All right, you can leave it on 2 or you can leave it on 1, but when it comes to the video aspect, okay, your video generation, always leave it on 1. All right, so that you don't end up consuming a lot of credits when you're generating the videos. All right, so the image, you can choose to set it on any number you want, because it's free to generate images on Flow now. But video generation, please take that in mind, always leave it on 1. Then here you have to click on model. All right, the model here, we have different models. We have VEO fast, VEO light, VEO quality, but remember we are looking for the Omni Flash agent. Okay, so that's the one you will select, Omni Flash agent. All right, then you click on save. When you click on that save, everything will be here. Here it will ask you, do you want to edit image? What do you want to create? Here again, it will ask you to add instruction. If you have instruction, what you want the AI to actually follow. Okay, let's say you have image reference or something you want the AI to actually maintain consistency throughout that content, you have to put it here. Okay, it's like a guideline of you training the AI agent. All right, training the agent, making it to make sure you always follow this instruction. All right, I will just add it here. Be consistent. Okay, the instruction is very important. You can add as much instructions you want, okay, just for you to be able to, for the AI to be able to follow all these instructions. So in this box here, this is where you add your storyline. Okay, I already have a storyline I created with ChatGPT. If you don't have anything you need, you can ask the AI, you know, just for a guide. Or if you have anything idea you have, you paste it here. Remember, with the Omni Flash agent, is mainly you chatting with the AI agent, to create your content for you. It creates the images and the videos for you. This is amazing. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this. This is easy way you can start creating your content. Seriously, you don't need to generate image. Just have your idea, put it in on the Omni Flash agent, and it will create amazing content for you. So this is very, very easy. So paste in your guide, your script, wherever you want, and you click on generate. It will enter agent mode. So the agent will try to analyze your content. Okay, it is considering the story element, what it has to put in place. Sometimes you just have to give the agent time to actually come up with questions. So what you will be doing here is that the agent will actually be asking you questions. All right, so here he's saying this is a beautiful and touching story. The imaginary flower, you know, is just coming up. So he's asking you, develop a visual style and character concepts. create a detailed storyboard for the scenes, expand the specific scene for the character background. It's up to you what you want. Okay, it usually gives like 3 questions. It's for you now to select what I want. I just want to develop a visual style. I want the AI to, once you tap on it, to start responding to the question you've asked. So I've asked the agent to create me visual image of the characters in the story. All right, that's what I've asked it to do. I want it to create story, the characters in the story. Then I will see that if it's something you like or something you feel, oh, you don't really like, you can make edit to it. Okay, so this is what it has created. All right, this is what it has created, and it's beautiful. But if you don't like this kind of image, you can ask it to change the images to, I want it in a 3D pixel form. If you want a realistic image, you can chat with the agent. You don't need to be afraid of chatting with the agent. Okay, pixel style. All right, I want it to be in a, this image is beautiful because this is the kind of, I want a village setting kind of story. Okay, but here if you want a realistic image, you put it. I'll just ask it to change the images because I don't like it. All right, you can also make the edge. You can see this agent is very, very smart, very smart. Like seriously, it goes into action quickly. Once you chat with it, everything will be created for you in this middle box here. So you'll be seeing the output here. This is beautiful. It is creating, and you can see even the storyboard is beautiful as well. The storyboard is actually beautiful. Okay, so after the images are generated, you just have to let the AI know, because it will create the images for you to make sure you actually like the images. Once you like the images, just tell the AI agent, instruct it to continue the story, to create the story video. Just chat with the agent. It doesn't matter what you input there. Okay, it is, in a way, it has been trained in such a way to understand a very simple language. Okay, all you need is chat, type it in here. And if you have image reference, let's say you have an image reference you want, you can just be okay. So here now, you say he has created a story. Okay, all right. So let's come in this part now. Okay, the AI now have created a storyboard for this content. All right, and this is these characters. All right, these are the characters. And another thing, it has went to narrow it down to like frame, scene by scene. You can see each scene there is dialogue. Okay, it comes with the character of image reference, of the video reference, and also the narration of what the narration, you understand. Okay, so everything is well broken down into, I think he did it into 6 frames, and this is what he's telling you. Then you have to look at the dialogue. If you don't like the dialogue, you can go ahead and ask the agent, I don't like the dialogue in maybe frame 6, please can you make an amendment, do it this way, I want the character, I want the narration to be this. All right, you ask the agent to do everything. If you already have your own script that you put, you just tell the agent, under the instruction, tell it, do not make any amendment to my script, maintain my script and the dialogue. So that's why the instruction part is very important, for you to be able to set up your instruction before you start creating. Okay, and once you've done this, okay, you can see here it's asking, I have created 6 frame storyboard for your story in 3D pixel style. Should we move forward in generating the visual grid using our reference character? So it's asking you. All you need to do is just say yes. Okay, click on yes, type yes, and just send it off. This is very easy, and it's very, very interacting. Please try to always proofread the prompt. Okay, always proofread the prompt as you are creating. Always proofread the prompt, because remember, AI can make mistakes sometimes. So as a human being you need to make amendments, proofread the prompt, and make sure everything is in order. Okay, you can see it is generating. It created it in a this is a storyboard. Okay, but I don't want a storyboard, I want a video. So I'll just say turn create in a video. All right, what the storyboard is trying to tell you is that when the video starts creating, we start from here to here. All right, then you click on generate, it will start generating. This is beautiful. This is content made easy, no need of you generating images. So it's saying now, I am going to create a 10 seconds video that animates the story sequence from our storyboard grid, maintaining the 3D pixel style and character consistency. This is beautiful. Seriously, I love flow for this new Omni Flash agent they launch. And again, that's why I told you to always leave your instruction on the AI have to ask you if you're happy for it to continue. Remember, when you're generating video on Flow, it will deduct some credits. Okay, image generation is free, but video will generate. So that's why you need to make sure you are in agreement with what is on this storyboard. Then if you like it, you click on approve. If you don't like it, you click on reject. Okay, but here I'll click on approve to instruct the agent that I have approved with the storyboard grid. It should continue to create the video. This is beautiful, guys. Okay, this is a new way that have changed the way we create content. If you're someone that struggle with consistency, you struggle, you don't have time to create images for your content, this is the best way you can start creating. All right, you need to start earning online as a faceless content creator. Post on your Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Okay, if you want to join our AI Academy or school, the link will be attached down the description of this video, where we teach AI faceless content creation and monetization on social media platform. As you can see, it is generating. You have to give it some time to generate, okay, and you will see the video. Remember to always set your aspect ratio before you begin creating. All right, that's very important. I have choose 16:9 because this is for YouTube tutorial, but if you're posting on things like Facebook or TikTok, please select 9:16. This is beautiful. You can see the video is ready, and this is a 10-second video. Let's watch it. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So when you open the video, the Omni Flash agent will be asking you, do you want to make some edits on this video? What I've understood on this video is that there is no narration. Remember that it created narration for me. All right, and remember that any edit you are making in a video form on Flow, we also deduct credit. I have 50 credits. Okay, I have 50 credits available that Flow gave to me. So I will say there is no narration. Add narration. Okay, you can instruct it to add narration to the video. Okay, you can ask it to add narrations to the video because it wasn't there. All right, so that's what I will instruct it. If you want to make any edits, you do that. Remember, you are still on Omni Flash agent and you click on generate. It will start to edit the video. Remember, your first video is here. You can always download that. How do you download? When you hover on the video, you will see a download button and you download that, and that will save to your device. This is so beautiful. So let's wait for the edit. The edits we made is just still creating. All right, so this is how content made easy. Please, guys, you don't need to give excuses that you don't know what to create. Just go to ChatGPT and get a lot of amazing idea. Or if you have inspiration videos that you've got from somewhere, you want to get inspiration from that video, just type into Omni Flash and say, this is the kind of video I want to create. Chat with the AI agent first. To chat with the AI agent is free. The only credit that will be deducted is when you start creating video. All right, images are free. To chat with the agent is free. So make sure that your prompt is well detailed and well ready before you start creating the video, okay, to avoid mistakes. Also, the storyboard, look at it to make sure it's actually what you want before you approve the AI agent to start creating your videos.